Hey, what's up guys? Surge here. So OnePlus is back with another official update, and this time they shares details for the official launch event. OnePlus will officially take the wraps of the OnePlus 6 at an event in London on May 16th. For those that won't be in attendance, OnePlus will be live streaming the event online. The event will kick off at 12 p.m. Eastern, and OnePlus also released a little teaser video to go along with the event announcement. The video simply says a phone that turns fast into fast, and again there's a purple theme in the video, so it is possible that the OnePlus 6 could feature an all new purple colored body, more or less like the Huawei P20 Pro. For Indians, OnePlus will be holding a separate launch event in Mumbai on May 17th. As previously reported, the OnePlus 6 will be available in India through Amazon.in. The Amazon listing is already up, and early access for Prime member begins on May 21st. We still don't know pricing for any of the available market, but yeah, we are very much close to the official event, so we can wait for that. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.